Just outside Paris stands one of the most extraordinary cathedrals of the Middle Ages, the Cathedral of Notre Dame in Chartres. Hidden in its stained glass windows is a powerful prophecy from Isaiah about Jesus Christ. Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Come Follow Me in Paris, where I explore scripture through art across the city. When we hear the word root, we tend to think backwards. Our roots are our ancestors or our source. In the scriptures, however, the direction can go both ways. In the Middle Ages, art was a powerful teaching tool in churches. On the far right, the stained glass window illustrates the prophecy in Isaiah 11 known as the stem of Jesse. The story begins at the bottom with Jesse lying down. From him grows a stem showing his descendants: David, Solomon, Rehoboam, Abijah, Mary, and at the top, the stem of Jesse himself, Jesus Christ, with doves above his head representing the gifts of the Spirit. Prophets stand to the sides announcing his coming. Doctrine and Covenants 113 asks, who is the stem of Jesse? What is the rod? What is the root? The answers expand this prophecy beyond Christ's mortal ministry into the restoration, the second coming, and beyond. This window is visual theology. It helps make complex scripture tangible. I, for one, would really love for an artist to take up the challenge of continuing this stained glass window, but adding the new insights we get from the DNC. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please follow, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!